Across the globe, environmental issues dominate today's headlines. In response, nations, companies, and everyday people are changing the way we do things to help preserve and protect our world for the future. I'm Terry Bradshaw. Whether it's cleaner air, sustainable development, or energy efficiency, join me as we span the globe to bring you the stories that truly matter. Welcome to the Environmental Report. Building a better future often means correcting the mistakes of the past. After years of neglect, the time has come to clean up our act. Let's learn what's being done to make a difference. Though it's a significant component in our everyday lives, the plumbing system is generally a little thought about building feature. At least that is until a problem occurs. The plumbing systems inside our homes and businesses are comprised of two separate subsystems. One brings potable water in, while the other takes wastewater and sewage out. The pipes that carry potable water are generally made of copper. Over time, these copper pipes are etched by chemicals used to make our water safe to drink.
Well, in most cases, in less than 15 years, only about 10% of the original wall thickness is left in your copper water lines. This decreased thickness, combined with harsh recirculation systems, run the risk of pinhole leaks. When a pinhole leak is clamped, it applies additional pressure to the piping system, thus causing costly pipe repairs, water shutdowns, and major headaches.
An alternative to continual patching is the traditional repiping method. However, this can cost a great amount of time and money and involves tearing walls apart. Canada PipeLining Technologies, or CPL, offers a solution. As its name suggests, the company provides potable water pipe restoration as well as drainage and sewer line repair using a proven, safe, and eco-friendly patented technology known as PipeLining. For potable water lines, the process begins with sandblasting and cleaning the pipes. The projects are organized by certified licensed plumbers who are trained in the unique process.
The epoxy we use is a two-part of epoxy that was patented by the U.S. Navy. Now, during the installation process, we heat the pipe, we apply the epoxy using air pressure to force the epoxy through the pipe. Now, to determine how we get an even coat is have an understanding how epoxy flows through the pipe. We can determine how much epoxy to apply and where to apply it to get a nice uniform coat.
When cured, epoxy-coated pipe creates a structural barrier between your leaching metal and potable water, giving it an excess of 50-year lifespan. Our technology has been in application and trusted since the late 1970s and has been approved by all the health and safety food organizations around the world.
PipeLining is also a viable method of repairing drainage and sewer lines, which are cracked, corroded, or affected by root intrusion, all without disturbing any surface materials. It can be used on single-home dwellings, high-rise buildings, and even factories.
Well, as a property manager, I investigated both methods. The PipeLining method is cost-effective, and it's minimal downtime and minimal disruption to the residents in their suites.
CPL officials say PipeLining generally provides a 15 to 25% cost savings when compared to the demolition and construction involved in a repipe project. They say it also saves the environment.
PipeLining is an eco-friendly method of pipe repair because it creates minimal waste to go to landfills and creates a structural barrier between your potable water and leaching metal pipes.
The epoxy coating used by CPL has shown to last 50-plus years without leaching or wearing down. While the PipeLining repair method provides great advantages, CPL officials say repiping should never be ruled out.
Whether it be repiping or pipelining, CPL and R&G can offer the best solution for your needs.